ハブです。新たなスタートを踏み切ろう。 YouTube でスピーチコンテストも開催中。
Cooking is not just following a recipe. It's a story, a memory, a way to live fully. Every chop of the knife, every sizzle in the pan tells you something about the world and about yourself. I've traveled across continents, tasted things that would make you laugh, cringe, or weep, and what I've learned is this: food is truth. When you cook, you are not just making dinner. You are connecting with the farmers who grew the vegetables, the fishermen who fought the storm for the fish, the spice merchant who carried 100 years of history in one jar. Cooking demands respect. Respect for ingredients, for time, for the process. Burn it, overcook it, underseason it, you will learn fast. But cooking is also a rebellion. In the kitchen, you can break rules. Salt before pepper. Add sugar to the sauce even if the recipe says no. Taste constantly. Listen. Your palate becomes your compass. The act of cooking transforms the mundane into the extraordinary. A simple egg becomes art. A bowl of noodles become ritual. And at the end, when you sit down to eat what you've made, it's intimate. You have shaped life into flavor. You have wrestled chaos into order. Cooking is messy, unforgiving, and beautiful. And if you approach it with curiosity and honesty, it will teach you more about life than any book, any lecture, any philosophy ever could.